So I was going to do this. And one thing I figured out with the shaker, this is straight, and if you want to play swing on a shaker, you straighten your arm. If you want to play straight, keep it upwards. If you want to play swing, have your arm straight. So try and do a nice rhythm. What about this one? Bum 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 bum. Snare drum with brushes. Really good for harmonica, trying to do that. What is the Bo Diddley thing? What was that thing, Sean? You know, the Rolling Stones did it. They had maracas, didn't they? I'm going to tell you what to do.
Yeah, not fade away, innit?
Not fade away.
Yeah. Not fade away.
So Bo Diddley, clave. So shaker is a really good thing to have in a car at traffic jams. It's a really good thing to have to try and get your brain to do two things at once.